I
It's a
actually have
pleasant surprise to all of us.
oo nga eh. Now I have a ano, I have a folder. Yan din. Here's what you guys can do then. I have a folder in my computer called the word vomit folder.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, si
Brainstorming
Liana
folder.
naman sabi niya ano, eh, word diarrhea. Sabi ko, "Ayoko naman word diarrhea, grabe naman." Sabi ko, word vomit na lang kaya. I think mas malunok ko ang vomit kaysa diarrhea. Oh my gosh,
Uh, uh,
and then anyway, so I have that. There's like more than a dozen books pa rin nandoon
mhm.
na hindi published. Some of them are not done and some of them I feel are a little too experimental. Yeah.
I also have those notebooks. But recently, puro words lang. 2 to 3 words. Tapos, when I have the time, I read them through. And then, I can I can form a story na out of those.